Amber Alert notification of a child abduction. The Riverdale PD is asking for the public's help. The suspect is identified as Ricardo Rangel Trujillo. He is 5 feet, 5 inches tall, weighing 180 pounds. He has black hair and black eyes. The first child abduction victim is identified by police as Angie Trujillo. She is 2 years old. She has black hair and brown eyes. She is 2 feet, 2 inches tall and weighs about 35 pounds. The second child abduction victim is identified by police as Ricardo Trujillo. He is 3 years old. He has black hair and black eyes. He is 2 feet, 5 inches tall and weighs about 45 pounds. The abduction happened at Riverdale. The suspect was driving a white Ford F-150. If you have any information, please call police at 801-394-6616 or simply dial 911. The suspect was driving a white Ford F-150. If you have any information, please call police at 801-395-8221 or simply dial 911. Inches tall and weighs about 35 pounds. The second child abduction victim is identified by police as Ricardo.
Welcome back. We are following that breaking news.
She is 2 feet, 10 inches tall and weighs about 35 pounds.
Local journalist?
This is an abduction. The Riverdale PD is asking for the public's help. The suspect is identified as Ricardo Rangel Trujillo. He is 5 feet.
Ricardo Trujillo.
Time and temperature brought to you by
Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
It's time. Here we go.
Tonight, the group chat bombshell, some of America's top leaders texting candidly and sharing sensitive military strategy with the group.
Okay, so I was about to go.
Top magazine editor.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Before the raid on Houthis in Yemen.
Here we go.
The president.
Here goes KSL.
This is an Amber Alert notification of a child abduction.
Let's check what's this relaying.
Force to invest.
Okay, KTV's relaying. They relaying.
The second child abduction victim is identified.
Okay.
The second child abduction victim is identified.
Let's see if Channel 4 is relaying. KTVX.
The son of a former new.
Oh no. Let's just go to KTV. Wait till their alert's over.
Classified.
Oh, their alert is over. Let's wait.
Is raising alarm bells tonight.
Oh, good.
The story broke.